I recently ordered these custom Posh Panda sandals and I love them. I got to customize the leather upper, the buckle color, the outsole, and I even added a snap closure to the outside because who has time for buckles these days? I prefer these soft minimalist sandals over their bulkier, more supportive alternative because they're more flexible, they're lighter, and I just feel like I can move a lot more naturally in them. Plus, my purchase supported a small business. These custom sandals are handmade to order and final sale, so please order carefully. Small businesses like this can't be treated like Amazon. But fortunately, they do have a high resale value in online groups like the Posh Panda fans group or Minimalist shoe buy sell trade groups. I find the sizing to run just a little bit long. I chose a size 6. I normally wear around a 6.5 in US women's sizes, but I can go either way. I definitely recommend using their size chart and comparing it against your own foot measurement to ensure that you choose the correct size. I do have low volume feet, so I have to tighten the buckles quite a bit, especially because the leather stretched out as I wore them the first few times. I think that they will fit a medium to high volume foot best, but they still work on my feet. I chose the 4mm Minimalist sole because it's thin and flexible and it matches the soft upper. Kayla, the owner of Posh Panda, opens up pre-orders for these sandals regularly, and she also has a one-of-a-kind ready-to-ship section on her website where you just might snag your size. So if you want to find out when she's going to be opening up her next pre-order, make sure you're subscribed to Posh Panda emails. All the relevant links will be in the video description. Follow me for more barefoot shoe reviews and tips.